Wagwan YouTube, back with another video. Jeep up with Jones. We jeeping from Georgia back to South Carolina. So in my latest YouTube video, you will see that I was at the Wall Street Blue event. So it's pretty much a networking event with more entrepreneurs, and we learn about the suppliers that we have access to. We learn about vendors we have access to. We much learn about other business partners that we have access to leverage our business to gain more customers and to gain more profit. Because when you're an entrepreneur, when you're a business owner, entrepreneur, you gotta find ways to leverage and to connect with more individuals. Leveraging and connecting with more individuals is the way of network. You wanna be able to network with different individuals to grow your network. Because if you don't have a well-rounded circle to network with and to make you money, profit, so you got to develop different streams of income. You want to be able to have multiple streams of income, because having one stream of income is like having close to none. So you want to have multiple streams of income. You want to have multiple streams of income. You don't want to rely on one stream of income, because one stream of income is like having close to, exactly. Okay, now you guys catch the drift. So what we do as entrepreneurs, we find ways to leverage our credit. We find ways to leverage the internet. We find ways to leverage things around us as a profit. Like this Jeep right here. Take this Jeep, for example. If I was making payments on this Jeep, if I wanted to help myself make payments on this Jeep, then I will put this Jeep on Turo, and I will Turo the Jeep for $250, almost to $150 a person, or a traveler to utilize the Jeep. And that will help me pay down and give me a stream of income. You know what I mean? So that's what we want to do. We want to find ways to make us money. We want to find different ways to make us money. And a lot of people don't have that mindset to go out and create ways of opportunity, create streams of income. A lot of people don't have that mindset to go out and create that. A lot of people do have a tendency of seizing that opportunity and striving to the best of their ability. Now, I will say that. Videos, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be traveling. Most of them will be travel vlogs. You know what I'm saying? You jeeping up with Jones right now. I love traveling, you know what I'm saying? My favorite way of traveling will be road tripping, because I get to sightsee more. I have more of controlling of where I'm going and what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I like taking back roads. I like being in the scenery. I like pulling over and taking pictures. I like all that. You know what I'm saying? When you're on a plane, pretty much you limited to that. You can't really do much when you're on a plane. And another way of transportation I like traveling by train as well. So if you haven't traveled by train, I recommend that you travel by train as well, because it's definitely a best way to see the scenery. It's definitely a good way to, you know, see more into the town, see more into the city that you're in. So recommend that you travel road trip, travel on a train, or travel on a bus. I recommend that. Talk about what's been going on my social media for the past 8 months. So for the past so months, I've been shadow banned off social media. I've shadow banned off TikTok. I've been shadow banned off Instagram, Facebook. I was once monetized on Facebook, Instagram, all these social media sites. I was already monetized on. You know what I'm saying? It's Jeep gang, so you already know. We just go. We don't do none of that extra stuff. You know what I'm saying? When you driving, you can hurt people, you can kill somebody. So when you make your decisions and go. Don't make your decisions and then hesitate, especially when you're driving. That's the big no-no. You make your decisions and go. You know what I'm saying? You make your mind up and you go. You don't hesitate, ever. What we gonna do, man, we gonna gas the Jeep up, man. When we gas the Jeep up, we gonna go ahead and get up out of here, man. You know what's going on, but people been telling me, like, once you spread all this positive energy on social media, they really don't want people to understand or know about this type of energy. They don't want people to tap into this high frequency. So they pretty much shadow ban anybody that tried to shine some light on this high frequency. And lately, for the past, I've been pretty much living in my truth, speaking in my truth. Those chakras been open lately. So I say what I say, mean what I mean, do what I want to do. So lately, I've been pretty much in that mindset of, you know, pissing a lot of people off, you know, like really just challenging. I challenge myself, so of course I'm gonna challenge individuals, you know what I mean? So we're gonna talk about it, you know what I mean? But I went viral on TikTok. A video went up where I was talking to a police officer about him being under oath. So it started on TikTok. Started on TikTok with me going viral about conversing with a police officer about knowing his oath. Unfortunately, the cop didn't know his rights, and didn't know that I knew my rights, and knew that he's under oath and he has an oath to abide by. You know what I mean? He didn't know that I was aware of the oath that he's supposed to be obtaining, like the protection he's supposed to be giving us individuals on the daily. So he didn't know I was aware of that, and with that, he tried to violate my rights. And with that being said, with him trying to violate my rights, it sends to me. Once the supervisor was present, the supervisor had something more about dismissing me than charging me. So he felt some type of way about that. He really felt some type of way about that. And in the sense of feeling some type of way about that, he then came to my door to try to ask me questions about what knowledge that I know about this situation and what status am I at. Because they don't, for one, they don't think that they think we're incompetent to this information. They think we're incompetent to this information. They think we're not supposed to know this information. They think we're not supposed to even be talking about this shit. You don't feel me? So it's like, had to gas up and grab some water. So pretty much that's what happened. I've been noticing the shadow ban ever since I went viral on TikTok. The shadow ban has been crazy. They blocked me from going live for 6 months. I wasn't able to go live on my chef page for 6 months. So once that happened, I felt like, you know, like I tried to reach out to Instagram and ask, I don't know, man. They thought the content I was putting out was sexual. They thought the content I was putting out was explicit. They thought it was false against COVID, false against wellness, false information. I was talking about yoga and total body fitness. I was talking about sex. They was pretty much mistaking all my content for, like, shut the fuck up. They was mistaking all my content for being some goofy stuff. So yeah, it was crazy, y'all. Stop at Dollar Tree and grab something at the Dollar Tree before I hit the road, Jack. Come on. I got a turn for you turn, baby. I'm in a big ass Jeep. Why the fuck you waiting on me to turn? I'm waiting on you to turn to get the fuck out of my way. Yeah. Why people be driving to mind your business? Like, you ever been driving in the motherfucker? Like, you ever been driving in the motherfucker? All in you like that? Like, dang, bro. Like, motherfucker be minding your business all the time. Like, you can never mind your own business because you got a motherfucker minding yours already. You trying to mind your business, motherfucker already minding your shit. Networking in Georgia, we had the Wall Street Blue event we went to. Linked up with some Jeep members and Atlanta Jeep Gang, man. Shout out to Atlanta Jeep Gang. Shout out to my boy Crunch TV. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Mr. Donovan. You know what I'm saying? We linked up in downtown Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? Really jeeped up, slid downtown. You know what I'm saying? Really fucked it up. But now we on our way back, man. It's my birthday month. It's my birthday week. So I went shopping, bought me a couple suits. I got a couple photo shoots that I gotta do. Got a birthday photo shoot. Got a photo shoot for Jones Travels and Tours. I got a photo shoot for Jones Enterprise. As you didn't know, I am a multi-business owner. So yeah. Click the link in the bio if you want to book a consultation with me. I am a wellness consultant. I am a business consultant, personal and business consultant. I can teach you how to start structuring your business. I can teach you how to structure your business credit. I can teach you how to structure your personal credit. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you guys want to book a wellness consultation with me. It's an hour Zoom call, me and you, one-on-one, where we will get to crack down on where you at in your finances and we'll find a solution for you.